drawing for kids.
Hello friends, I am Arab. Today we are going to draw a super cute lion. So let's begin. First, let's start with two round eyes. Now I will draw a round face, a tiny nose and a big smiling mouth. Let's add some cute whiskers. I will draw two little ears on top. Now comes the most fun part, the lion's big fluffy hair. Keep going, don't skip. This step makes a lion look like the king of the jungle. Now let's draw the big bodies, 4 strong legs. You're doing an awesome job, just a little bit more. Don't skip, each step makes it better. Let's draw the curvy tail with a fluffy end. The lion is almost ready. Now I'm bolding the outline. This makes our drawing look clean, neat and perfect. Now it's coloring time. First I'm starting with the face. I'm coloring the whole face orange. Nice and smooth coloring, don't rush. Because your lion is going to look super colorful and amazing. Now I will color the lion's long hair around the face. I'm using brown for this. A real lion. Keep watching, it's getting better and better. The big body with orange just like the face. And finally I'm coloring the tail with orange and keeping the fluffy end a bit darker if you want. Now I will color the paws. Belly area and we are done. Our lion looks bright, colorful and amazing. If you enjoyed coloring with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun drawings. Bye bye. See you in the next video.